guys, it's your girl Bree.
And your girl Indy.
It's been a while, but yep, we're back with another video.
Before we start the video, please remember to like, comment, and share. Yeah. And subscribe.
Yes, people. So, as you can see the description down below, what we are going to do today, we are going to do Try Not to Belch Challenge. Yes.
Guys, please remember to go over to my other channel, Indigo TV. Yes. That's a nice video over there.
Yeah, people, support the thing. Support, support, support. Tell a friend about our channel and for our channel. So, people, yes. So, the challenge is try not to belch. If you belch, you have to like take a sip of the sour orange here. Yes, so
No worst enemy.
yeah, we're gonna try the thing and a Pepsi and see how the outcome will go. So, which one you want? You have to take that the one.
Like thing.
Alright,
so start.
so here we go. We have your family for one drink. No, that unfair. Is it ready? No, stop.
No, yes, yes. No, this that's safe.
Oh, shit. Mm-mm.
Everywhere now. Good on.
Oof.
Wait.
No. Normally people may drink this and me don't belch. Me don't belch. But oh,
Toughy. Good on.
Me hot.
Ah! No! No! We couldn't take that in because the chest didn't tie it up.
No.
No!
Alright. Oh my god. You no Indy, you have to sip take the orange.
I forgot.
Thief. Nuff too. Nuff.
Wait.
Alright, come.
We
Now
are-
I say go. Ready. Yes. Ah, Jesus.
I want to One dear. No, that. This is a belch.
I eat meals and normally me no bed when we drink this. So me no understand. Alright.
But you lose the first challenge, me have to win this now.
No, belch again.
No. No. Me not know they do this. Me can't do this, brother.
And that tight up. Ooh. No, sir. Bad. People, me all a ball. Let me see this. No, sir.
Sickle, sickle.
Mommy.
Alright.
Me can't hold it.
Sickle, sickle. Me couldn't hold that, honestly. Me couldn't hold it.
Ugh. Me have migraine. Jesus mercy. Me done.
You done? No, we are. Try to say that.
No, indeed.
You can't done before, man. I'm a win.
Yeah, what is it?
I'm a win. Pop my color, I'm a win. Champion.
I